Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man sit down pan the black and I am it. Sit down pan the black and I am it. I man sit down pan the black and I am it. We're going at the world. But I man say greetings, you know. My name is Imperial Majesty King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh, you know. Ever living, ever stable. All if you crave meds. So as the item can meticulously scrutinize, you know, I Rasta Jawge is outside and I am among the trees, as you can see the banana trees and the leaves. And I just a hold of meds, you know. Them brother not give the IRS, not give the IRS. But I can hold of meds. I see something on the eye magic box for there. And I just a hold of meds about it. And I see a young empress walk up in the teacher classroom and I rub off things off of the blackboard. And I get bring the Rasta because pride, nah Simba. And I too you them could never try that. These are the reasons and more why the teachers them are migrating and taking away themselves to foreign land. But while I Rasta Jawge just holding the meds, you know, it's like I get a message from Jah to get the Prime Minister and all them other colleagues, Faval, and all of them, you know. The one named brain drain. You dig? Them say it's a brain drain. The teachers them flying out to foreign lands. Them is not staying. Them say our services the government cannot retain because of them bad pain. Them say it's a brain drain, but it's a crying shame. Cause from I Rasta Jawge I grew up as a youth. The teachers them a ball about them wage. But government know at the time, and this at the stage. If you take a book out of the other country, them pay. Hold on. It's a shame because none of the reach one of the right now if not for the teacher them. Only if we not pre the same. Pay the teachers them wage. So that when them retire, them can feel good in them old age. And I say it again, pay the teachers them wage. I go down in a hole. Meds.